What if I told you that the way chickens are raised could change everything about the food we eat? From cramped factory farms to free-range, open spaces, there's a secret story of how chickens live and grow in China and Europe. Free-range chickens aren't just healthier, but their lives are much better compared to their factory-raised cousins. But there's a twist. Some farmers are finding ways to make it even better, ensuring not just a healthy bird, but a sustainable future. Let's dive into how these chickens live, how they roam the hills, and what makes their meat some of the healthiest you can find. Stay tuned to find out why free range is the way forward. Welcome, friends. Imagine chickens living in the open air, strolling freely across lush green fields. This peaceful image isn't a dream. It's the reality at free-range farms, especially in countries like China and across Europe. In today's video, we'll explore how millions of chickens are raised in natural environments, far from the crowded, stressful factory farms that many people associate with chicken production. Free-range chickens, the better option. The free-range system allows chickens to live more naturally. They get a few hours each day to roam the fields, scratch the soil, and bask in the sunlight. For farmers, this system is more than just ethical, it's practical. Chickens raised this way are healthier, more active, and provide better quality meat. Let's take a look at how this is done. Raising free-range chickens in Spain. In Spain, farmers are embracing free-range farming in a big way. These chickens aren't just cooped up in barns. They roam freely in large grassy areas, protected by fences. Farmers keep an eye on them, ensuring they are safe from predators like coyotes or feral cats. When the farmers are busy, the dogs take over the responsibility of guarding the chickens. Health monitoring and protection. At farms like the ones in the UK, free-range chickens are kept in barns during bad weather. But for the most part, they spend about a third of their day grazing on the grasslands. Farmers ensure that the chickens have access to clean water and a balanced diet, and they closely monitor the health of each bird. In some cases, farmers install cameras to keep an eye on the conditions inside the barns, making sure that everything is running smoothly. Innovation in feed and waste management. In addition to feeding the chickens natural foods, some farmers are getting creative by using leftover agricultural products like plant scraps. This helps reduce waste and gives the chickens more variety in their diet. Additionally, farmers are using chicken manure to help fertilize the land, although they make sure to move the chickens to fresh areas so the soil doesn't become overloaded with waste. Free-range chicken market and food safety. The market for free-range chicken is becoming increasingly competitive, with consumers demanding higher food safety standards. Farmers have to work hard to keep their farms running efficiently while maintaining high-quality standards. This involves constant monitoring of the birds' health, the feed they consume, and the quality of the meat produced. Free-range chickens in the US. Though free-range farming is primarily associated with Europe, there are growing efforts to adopt similar practices in the United States. In the US, where factory farms still dominate the poultry industry, free-range farming is gaining popularity among consumers looking for more humane and environmentally friendly options. Farmers are beginning to experiment with different methods to allow chickens more space, access to sunlight, and better food sources. However, just like in Europe, there are challenges. The cost of land, feed, and equipment can be high, and free-range products are still more expensive than factory-farmed meat and eggs. The demand for free-range poultry is steadily growing in the US, driven by consumer preference for more sustainable and ethical farming practices. As awareness of the benefits of free-range products spreads, more American farmers may begin to adopt these practices, leading to better conditions for chickens and healthier. Sustainability and environmental benefits. Sustainability is a major concern in modern agriculture, and free-range farming offers many environmental benefits. Chickens raised in natural environments contribute to healthier soil and ecosystems. Manure from chickens can help fertilize the land, though farmers need to move them around to prevent soil degradation. This cycle helps ensure that the land remains fertile and productive for years to come. Moreover, free-range farming encourages biodiversity. By allowing chickens to roam freely, farmers help maintain a balance of plants and insects that contribute to the health of the farm. This natural approach to farming reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, contributing to a healthier environment. Free-range egg production. Let's take a look at the egg-laying side of free-range farming. The average lifespan of egg-laying chickens in the EU is around 18 to 20 weeks, after which they begin laying eggs for about 2 to 3 years. There are an estimated 430 million egg-laying chickens across the EU, producing nearly 7.5 million tons of eggs annually. In the farm we visited in eastern France, farmers are busy collecting eggs every morning. The quality of the eggs is carefully checked, ensuring that only the best make it to the food markets and restaurants. Free-range egg production isn't just about collecting eggs, it's a delicate process. Farmers need to ensure the eggs are fresh and stored properly, maintaining a balance between production and quality. Egg-laying chickens that roam freely are not only healthier, but their eggs are also known for being more flavorful and nutritious.